Good day, learners. Let's quickly do this question. Is under work, energy, and power. So, sinazi formulas. So, this is the first formula. W represent the work done by a force oyinikwe ngelo xesha. So, apha ke ngoku sibene force times delta x cos theta. F mele any force. It can be a frictional force. It can be a gravitational force. It can be force applied, tension. Then delta x is the displacement. Then we have cos theta. Then sibenalena again with formula. This formula work net is equal to the change in kinetic energy. So this one siyisebenzisa phaya xa sine net force okanye we are given the details or the data for calculating the change in kinetic energy. This one is for work energy theorem. Okay, then we have work done by non-conservative force. So you need to know the non-conservative force before you use this formula. This one ndiyithanda isebenzisa on an incline only, because on an incline there is a height, which means you can get your EP. Then we also have the one for kinetic energy, the one for gravitational potential energy. We also have the one for power, Z2 ezokubala power, that is average power. So this one, if ndinikwe ixesha ndisebenzisa le, because I will just calculate the work done by lo force kuthethwa ngayo. Then the average power, if ndinikwe velocity, then I will look for the force they are talking about. So yamba kanjalo, if I'm given the time, I will use this one. But if ndinikwe velocity, I will use this one. Okay, so yamba kanjalo. Then let's quickly go to equation quickly. They say a 2 kg box is released from rest. So from rest, which means we have the initial velocity there from rest at P, 5 meters above the ground. So we also have the height there, 5 meters above the ground. It slides down a smooth frictionless curve, track PQ. See the diagram below. So we are given the diagram. So it slides on a frictionless track, which means here there is no friction, but here you can see there is a friction. The first thing that you need to do before attempting the questions is to draw a force diagram or a free body diagram. So here we have the weight only. We have the weight and the normal force. Okay, but the normal force is always perpendicular to the surface as well as displacement, which means the normal force will give us a 0 joules. Okay, no work done. Then if the box is here, we are going to have the normal force and the weight. Okay, and the weight there. So there is a friction that opposes the motion, no other force, but this one and this one, they are perpendicular. They will give you a 0 work. Such a shear and friction only here. Here we have only work done by a weight, because the normal force will give you a 0 work. Normal force here gives a 0 work, as well as a gravitational force will give us a 0 work done. So let's quickly go to equations. The first question is Suga. It states the principle of conservation of mechanical energy. So this is very simple. When you state the principle, question which means the following question to calculate, you are going to use that principle. So the principle of conservation of mechanical energy states that in an isolated system, the total mechanical energy is conserved. The total mechanical energy is conserved, which means the mechanical energy is the same at any point. So in this point, sithetha ngabani umzekelo ngu-P to Q, the mechanical energy is conserved here because there are no other forces other than the weight. There is no friction, there is no force applied, there is no tension here. It's only the weight that is there, which means this track, kule ndawo principle of conservation can apply here. The system here is isolated. So in an isolated system, the total mechanical energy is conserved. So ku-P nakubani naku-Q. I-mechanical energy xa siyibala i-kinetic energy plus gravitational potential energy. So nakweli cala izoba i-kinetic energy plus gravitational potential energy. Okay, so mechanical energy, it's 1/2 mv squared plus gravitational potential energy is mgh. Now we have 1/2 mv squared plus mgh. So remember, we'll P, then we'll Q. Now if you can look here, it was released at P from rest, which means the velocity here is equal to 0 at P. The velocity is equal to 0. So if the velocity is equal to 0, which means yonke le ndawo izoba ngu-0, we are left with mgh at P, which is equal to, kweli cala, the height here is equal to 0 because this is the bottom. The height there is equal to 0, which means the ndawo yonke izoba ngu-0, which means we are left with 1/2 mv squared. Now let's go to question number 2. Remember, question number 1, we stated the principle. Then we said in an isolated, the total mechanical energy is conserved. So a system is isolated if there are no external forces like friction, tension, force applied, and others. So the system is isolated. Indawo engenazo into endigqiba uzibala external forces. There are no external forces here, so the system is isolated kule ndawo. But xa sifika lapha, there is one external force here, which is a friction, meaning that here the mechanical energy is not conserved. Let's quickly go to the question. The question says use the principle of conservation of mechanical energy to calculate the speed of the box when it reaches Q. So Q nakuya, that is Q. Sesiyilungisile formula yethu naku Q. We can just substitute. The mass of the box is 2 kgs. G is 9,8. The height at P is 5. So that is 5 meters, which is equal to 1/2 times 2 times the velocity at Q, ilesifunayo square. So we are going to press the calculator here quickly. Then we apply the square root ke ngapha nangapha. So the velocity at Q is then we are done with that question. Then let's continue what they say. The box passes Q and move 10 meters on a rough horizontal surface before striking a barrier at R at a speed of 4 meters per second. So sinika information, but here the speed is 4 meters per second. That is a final velocity. So we can just collect the data. We have the final velocity, which is equal to 4 meters per second at point R. Okay, then the following question says use the energy principles to calculate the magnitude of the average frictional force. AP energy principle, any formula and energy power, that is work net is equal to the change in kinetic energy. We do have the speed at Q besigqibusibala, sinaso speed at R, speed at Q it's 9,90. So the initial velocity is equal to 9,90 meters per second. So we can use this one. Now let's look at the free body diagram. Now we have normal force, we have the weight, we have the friction. So in normal force and the weight will give us a zero work because they are perpendicular, they make 90 degrees. Then we are left with the friction as our net. So we have a work done by friction, which is equal to change in kinetic energy. So if work done by friction, the formula is frictional force times delta x cos theta, which is equal to 1/2 mv squared final minus 1/2 mv squared initial. So the frictional force is what we are looking for. Frictional force siyayifuna, displacement kuthiwe ngu-10. So for a frictional force, the angle is 180 always because it's opposing the motion, which is equal to 1/2. The mass is 2 times the final velocity is 4 squared minus 1/2 times 2 times the initial velocity, it's 9,90 square. So we are going to punch the calculator like that. So kwelicala we have negative 10F, kwelicala we have negative 65. Then we divide by negative 10, negative 10. So we get the frictional force, which is equal to 6,5 newtons. Then we are done for the day.